Hey, how y'all doing? It's Doug's from Fleet's Wood Shop. Y'all miss me? Hey, I wanted to apologize. I haven't gotten a new video out to y'all in a while, and I've actually got 4 of them ready to go out to you that I hope you'll enjoy. But I've been running into some little issues I've got to get straightened out with YouTube, and that is a chore to work through, let me tell you. If any of you guys are experts and know how to fix a few things, man, let me know. I could use the help. But I'm working on them and going to have them resolved here real soon, I hope. So just wanted to let y'all know that and to say thank you to all the subscribers. Thank you so very much. Again, I'm just honored and overwhelmed. I can't say thank you enough. What you see behind me here are a few little wood samples I'm working on. A couple of you wonderful people sent those to me, and I've addressed that in one of the videos that I've got ready. So I won't go into it too much, but I'm working on getting those ready for the sample board. And also wanted to show y'all something. I got this a while back. It's a watch, very nice watch actually, made completely out of wood. See if I can open this thing for you. Okay, there we go. Let's see. But, well, maybe I can't. Let me see. Yeah, there you go. I think you can see the back of it. I don't actually know what type of wood it's made out of, but this is just amazing to me. It must have been made by a CNN machine, because I couldn't figure out how to make these little pieces. But you know what? I think I'm going to give it a try and see what I can do. So anyway, guys, like I said, just wanted to make this little few-minute video to let you know I'm still here. I ain't going anywhere, and I've got some videos coming out for you, just trying to get some things straightened out with YouTube. So y'all stay safe. Thank you for taking a minute to listen to me, and I'll be back. Bye now.